How you doing? Just gonna have a quick look at this station. That's a Metcalfe station house, one of the mainline stations, and all it was, instead of having a front and back, I haven't put a back on it, so that makes it twice as long. That's an old Thomas the Tank Engine bridge there at the back. Inside there's a bridge going over the platforms. That's a Dapple bridge, and I just made two of them together so that people can cross over from platform to platform. The canopies, old Hornby ones, they used to be blue or green. I just stripped them down, sprayed them with grey primer, put them back together. I needed a smaller type canopies. They used to have like a beige top and green stanchions. Just stripped them down, sprayed them grey. To match the buildings. So that's a Metcalfe station building, but without the roof on. I just gave it a flat roof to fit it in. And I put people and lights inside. People, some are Bachmann, some are from China. My control board is just a piece of plastic. You see them on the roof areas, soffit boards I think they call them. And this was just a length of plastic, which I chopped. I got it out of a skip. I chopped it up. That was my CD player idea, where you can have your station announcements. They're just the little toggle switches for on and off for your light signals. That was for my Fowler system for energising the stop start solenoids. They're switches, you get them from Maplin's, got little LEDs in them so you know when they're on and off. And what I do is I split my layout into quarters. So each light switch there, the four on the bottom, they're in quarters. So the station area is 1 quarter, then the two far ends, and then the far side's another quarter if you like. So if I have a problem, that I can isolate each one. These are points buttons. Instead of having the toggle switches, I thought I'll have push buttons for the change. So blue would mean straight on, and orange would mean to run off into the siding. And again, the black lines, it's just car stripe again. And that's just the layout of the station. So next time you go past your skip, have a look in. And these are just for my little DMUs, the platforms where they can drive in. And the buffers are just the old hydraulic Hornby buffers. There's a little red LED on the top there. I think they were 20 pence from Maplin's. Just finishes it off. So at the back I've got 3 holding lines. And then we go to platform 1, platform 2, platform 3, platform 4, platform 5, platform 6, platform 7, and that's the little Fowler road system. And the thing I like about the Metcalfes is you lay your track and you build the platforms to fit, whereas Hornby you put them down and you've got to fit the track around them. And all this is a bit of car stripe. You get them in Halfords or your motor scene places. Bit of white stripe, bit of yellow stripe. And the beauty is you make them up to the way you want them. Well, just a quick run around anyways, so if it helps some of you, great. And that's probably some of my favourite shots, where you can zoom right in and get the trains coming and going as they leave. Right, bye for now.